Hey folks, it is Thursday, September 16th, and this is what we're doing today. We're just revising our paper. So task one, you're going to read your peers' feedback. I think it's a good idea to sort of, I don't know, have a pen in hand, just in case you're like, oh, these are the things I want to do. And then from there, I want you to just kind of skim this resource on the difference between like peer review, like how to take peer review suggestions and then use those to revise, because it can seem overwhelming at first. So just kind of check that out. It might give some helpful ways to approach that peer review feedback, right? And then revisit your paper with an eye towards like thinking about making sure that it's not like clunky, and then also making sure that you're meeting the page requirements. Remember, right, that it's got to be 1.5 to 2 pages single spaced and all that, block formatting. So just sort of check that out, right? And then once you have done all that, just head over to your peer review channel for assignment 1 and just kind of tell your peers what feedback of theirs that you found most helpful, and just share how you plan to revise your paper over the weekend, or whenever you're revising your paper, right? So just go ahead and do that. I think it's nice to just sort of get that sort of feedback, because, I think it's helpful to know what kind of feedback is helpful, because we're also learning how to do that in this class as well, right? So, excuse me, frog in my throat. So your paper for assignment 1 is due on Thursday, September 23rd, right? So, just know that, and continue to revise your paper for assignment 1, and when you're done, submit it into this Google Drive folder right here. And just remember that you want to submit it as a Google Doc, and then also remember that I want you to use this kind of label on your paper, although I do need to change that label. There we go. Fall 2021. It's not fall 2020. Anyway, that's it. All right, so that's what we're doing in class, and that is what we're doing for homework. BTW, we're done with Unit 1. So when you want to check out what we're doing in Unit 2, just go ahead and click on this, all right? And that takes us to Unit 2, which is actually, I think, going to be a really fun unit for all of us. So good times. All right.